Hello dear student. In last section we have to discuss about the Maclaurin series. Now today we will discuss the next point, and this is last point from first unit, that is Taylor's theorem. Okay, Taylor's theorem. Now statement of this theorem statement. Statement of the Taylor's theorem. Let f of x be a function. Let f of x be a function. Defined in the interval a comma a plus h. This function defined in the interval a comma a plus h, such that f of x comma f dash of x comma f double dash of x dot 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 f raised to n at x are exist and continuous then the Taylor series expansion is f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a plus h square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of a plus dot 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 h raised to n upon n factorial f raised to nth at a plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is the statement of Taylor's theorem. Let f of x be a function defined in that interval. Then we will write this theorem as f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash of a plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of a plus dot 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 h raised to n upon n factorial f raised to n at a. Okay, now this Taylor series is about the point a. Okay, this is series about the point a. Okay, for this purpose here is f of a, f dash of a, f double dash of a, f triple dash of a dot 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 f raised to n at a. This is called the Taylor series about a point a. Okay, now this is the Taylor series in the form of h. Okay, both are same, about a or in the form of h. Now the difference between Taylor and Maclaurin series. In Maclaurin series, the value of a is 0. We will define this Maclaurin series with the help of Taylor's theorem. How to define? This is Taylor series. Maclaurin series is a Taylor series about origin. That is, put a is equal to 0, we get the same Maclaurin series. Okay, here the Taylor series about the point A and Maclaurin series about the point 0. Okay, this is your basic difference. Now the different form of Taylor's theorem. Different forms. Different forms of Taylor's theorem. different form of a Taylor theorem. First form, this is your Taylor series. This is your first form. Suppose this is your first and this is your Taylor series in H. Taylor series in H or in the power of H. Okay, Taylor series in the power of H. Or I will write here the first the expansion of f of x plus h in ascending powers of h. In ascending powers of h. Okay, in ascending powers of h. Now in this formula we will replace x as some another variable, suppose that is f of x plus h. Okay, f of x plus h, we get the ascending powers of h, same series, only a is replaced by x. We get f of x plus h, f dash of x plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x plus h cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of x plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is your the expansion of f of x plus h in ascending powers of h. Okay, in ascending powers of h. Here power of h is 0, here power of h is 1, here power of h is 2, and here power of h is 3. Okay, now second form, the expansion of f of x plus h, in ascending powers of x. In ascending powers of x. This is difference. Here is h and here is x. यहाँ पे क्या है? h and here is x. तो here we have to replace only x by h. Okay, तो क्या मिलेगा? f of x plus h is equal to, we get f of h plus x f dash of h. चेंज क्या कर रहे हैं हम? Here ascending powers of h, here ascending powers of x. Okay, plus h square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x square upon 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube upon 3 factorial f triple dash of h plus dot dot dot. Okay, this is your the expansion of x plus h in ascending powers of x. Okay, this belongs to the powers of x. Okay, and this belongs to the powers of h. Okay, this is difference. And last, the expansion of, and this last is very very important. I will write the last form here. Last form is very very important. I will write the last form here. The form number third, the expansion of f of x in ascending powers of x minus a. Here is x minus a. Okay, in ascending powers of x minus a. This is very very important. X minus a. Here x minus a is given, not x plus a. Okay, x minus a is given. Okay, now and this is f of x is equal to, this is f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a bracket square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a bracket cube divided by 3 factorial f triple dash of a plus dot 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 dot. Okay, now this form is very important. The expansion of f of x in ascending powers of x minus a. Okay, in ascending powers of x minus a. Here is x minus a, not x plus a. यहाँ पे क्या है? X minus a in the powers of x minus a. Now see here, the power of x minus a is 0. Here power of x minus a is 1. Here power of x minus a is 2. Here power of x minus a is 3. Dot dot dot. Okay. Now these three forms are very important in Taylor's theorem. Okay. First form, second form, and third form. Okay. Now we will discuss examples on this Taylor's theorem. Okay, there are two types of examples and these two types are very important. Okay, now example first. Using Taylor's theorem, example first, using Taylor's theorem, express C1 plus in bracket x plus 2 plus 3 in bracket x plus 2 bracket cube plus x plus 2 bracket raised to 4 in ascending powers of x. In ascending powers of x. This is your question. Now look on the board. Look on the board. Using Taylor's theorem, we have to express this given is in the form of ascending powers of x. Given क्या है? Given this given यहाँ पे क्या x plus 2 correct. This is in the form of ascending powers of x plus 2. This is in the form of ascending powers of x plus 2. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Given is in the form of ascending powers of x plus 2 and we have to write this in ascending powers of x. Okay. Now given that x plus 2 is equal to, this is your given, given is your x plus 2, correct? F of x plus 2 is equal to say 1 plus x plus 2 plus 3 x plus 2 bracket cube plus x plus 2 bracket raised to 4. This is your given. Now by Taylor's theorem, this is your f of x plus h is equal to f of h plus x plus h f dash of h plus x plus h bracket square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of h plus x plus h bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of h plus x plus h raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial into f रेज टू फोर्थ डैश ऑफ h, ओके, अप टू फोर्थ, यहाँ पे पावर कितना है 4, तो ओके दिस इज योर गिवन. Now compare these two. Now compare these two. We get by using comparison. Compare these two. Compare these two. We get the value of h. Now here value of h. Here h is equal to value of h क्या मिलेगी 2. This is your value of h. Correct. Compare these two. We get value of h is 2. Correct. Value of h. First compare these two. We get value of h. Also we have to find value of f of x. Also value of f of x. Okay. This is your f of x plus 2. This is your f of x plus 2. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? This is your f of x plus 2. Now we have to find value of f of x. Here is x plus 2. Here is x plus 2. एंड हियर इज x. क्या करना है, क्या करना है, x प्लस 2 राइट एज f ऑफ x. तो क्या मिलेगा, दिस इज योर f ऑफ x प्लस 2, हियर इज x. दिस x प्लस 2 रिप्लेस बाय x. तो क्या जाएगा, x प्लस 2 रिप्लेस बाय x, x प्लस 2 रिप्लेस बाय x, x प्लस 2 रिप्लेस बाय x. ओके, तो क्या जाएगा, दिस इज 7 प्लस x प्लस 3x क्यूब plus x raised to 4. This is your very important step. First compare these two. By using comparison we get value of h, and value of h is 2. Now this f of x plus 2 can be written as f of x, and how to write, here is x plus 2, here is x. This x plus 2, this x plus 2 replaced by x. तो क्या जाएगा, 7 as it is. This x plus 2 replaced by x, this x plus 2 replaced by x, and this x plus 2 replaced by x. So we get value of f of x. Okay. Now by using Taylor's theorem, by Taylor's theorem, by Taylor's theorem, by Taylor's theorem for the ascending powers of x. For the ascending powers of x, we get f of x plus h is equal to f of h plus x f dash of h plus x square divided by 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube divided by 3 factorial h triple dash of h plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial f fourth dash of h. Suppose this is your equation star. Okay, this is your Taylor series in the powers of x. Okay, f of x plus h is equal to f of h plus x f dash of h plus x square upon 2 factorial f double dash of h plus x cube upon 3 factorial h triple f triple dash of h plus x raised to 4 upon 4 factorial f fourth dash of h. Okay, but here the value of h is 2. The value of h is 2 and value of f of x is this. Okay, so now we have to find f of 2. Then first we have to find f of h. That is, first we have to find f of x. Okay, so here f of x is equal to, here f of x is equal to 7 plus x plus 3x square, sorry 3x cube plus x raised to 4. This implies f of 2. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है, put x is equal to 2 in that expansion. Put value of x is equal to 2 by using calci, we get answer directly. Okay, put x is equal to 2, तो आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे x, this x is replaced by 2, तो 7 plus 2 plus 24 plus 8. Okay, we get the required answer, and this value is f of 2 is 49. Solve this by using calci, आपको आंसर मिलेगा, this is your 49. Okay, also f dash of x, डिफरेंशिएट दिस, 7 का डेरिवेटिव 0, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 प्लस 3x क्यूब उसका डेरिवेटिव 9x स्क्वायर प्लस x रेज टू 4 उसका डेरिवेटिव 4x क्यूब, 4x क्यूब, ओके, 4x क्यूब, then f dash of 2, then put x is equal to 2. Here is 4 and here is 8, okay. Then solve this by using calculus. We get f of 2 is 84. The next f double dash of x, उसका डेरिवेटिव 0, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ दिस 18x plus derivative of this, okay. Then replace this f double dash of 2, x replace by 2, put x is equal to 2 here, we get answer 66, okay. Also f triple dash of x is equal to derivative of 18, this is your 18 and this 24x, then replace this f triple dash of 2, put x is equal to 2 in this, we get answer is first is 49, second, sorry, here is 69 and here is 84, sorry, and here is 66, okay. And this is f double dash of 2 is 66, okay. Then differentiate again, f fourth dash of x is equal to 24 का differentiation 24x, 18 का 0, and this is your fourth derivative of 2, this is constant, this is 24. Now remaining all the derivatives are constant because here the highest power of x in f of x is 4, okay, up to fourth derivative we get, then remaining all the higher derivatives are 0, okay. Now put all these value in equation star, put in equation star, or equation star becomes, we get f of x plus h is 2, okay. We have tried this ascending, okay, ascending powers of x, so f of x plus 2 is equal to f of h, value of f of h is 2, f of h is 2, क्या जाएगा 49 plus h f dash, this is your 69x plus f double dash 84 divided by 2 factorial into x square plus cube f double dash, this is your 66 divided by 3 factorial x cube plus last fourth derivative, this is 24 x raised to 4 divided by 4 factorial, okay, divided by 4 factorial. Now solve this, this is 49 plus 69x plus 84 divided by 2, 2 factorial is 2, we get 42 x square plus this 3 factorial is 6, 66 divided by 6, we get 11 x cube plus 24 divided by 24, 4 factorial is 24, we get 1, that is x raised to 4, and this is your required answer, f of x plus 2 is equal to this, and this belongs to in ascending powers of x, okay. This is your answer, this is your required answer, and this answer belongs to in ascending powers of x, okay. This is your question first, this is your question first, okay. Given is in the powers of x plus 2, and this can be written as here in powers of x, okay. Now we will see the next example opposite to this. Given is in the powers of x and we have tried in some different ways, okay. Okay, this is your example first. Now second example second example, this is your first, Now example second, expand x raised to 4 example second, expand x raised to 4 minus 3x cube, sorry 3x cube plus 2x square minus x plus 1. This is your f of x, correct? Expand x raised to 4 minus